Hey folks, it's Dane here at Jonah Guitars, and this is my kind of my monthly update on everything that's going on in the shop. I did one last month. Why not make it a monthly thing, huh? The day started out. It's March 6th, Saturday, March 6th. The day started out running up to the barber, and the barber was closed. Dang. So I got my wife and I a green tea latte from Starbucks since I was in the area. And okay, that kind of made it better, but so no haircut this month or this week. Anyway, I know that's a concern. I'm going to show you just what's been on the bench. You know probably most of what I'm working on, but just one of those things. I had a couple. I'm doing a conversion neck for a guy, and I had a couple of those necks, and I'll redirect things here. I'm not going to show you the ones that I screwed up. Okay, hey, so this is actually the third two-piece neck blank I've glued up for this neck, and various things occurred with the other two. I don't need to go into detail other than that they weren't going to be salvageable, and I didn't really want to do that. I'm showing you this end here because it's the just so you can see how the grain orientation is. Anyway, that is, and I've got the rosewood in. I've got a couple pieces of rosewood, so I went ahead and made his fretboard, and I haven't radiused that yet, but it's rough cut out, ready to go. This is a Telecaster conversion, so it's the 24 5/8 Gibson short scale. I've already done one for him that he likes a lot. I'm actually did an armrest carve on that guitar. I think I did that before last month actually, or maybe it was in this month. So that's one of the things going. I have the GGBO 2021 335. Oh, I have these terrible looking. Trying to figure out some sort of F-hole that's not a standard F-hole, and I don't know if you can see those. I hope not. They look terrible. I haven't carved those plates yet. I have the front and the back plate, and I already had the sides bent. I don't know if you saw that last time or not. There's the sides bent and glued up. Just kind of just held in the mold there, just to keep them how I want them. I developed. I was waiting on my tuners for the bass. This is the same thing, the GGBO. This is the bass neck template, and I had gotten to this point and not actually cut the template yet. This is more or less my stock Jonah heads, pig head or headstock shape. I just made it a little wider and maybe a tad longer, and I got these tuners in, and they look like they're going to be just fine on this size and shape pig head. So we'll move forward with that. And I developed, you've seen the truss rod slotting sled. I developed this radius thing for that. This radius happens to be 9.5 because I've moving on to the Zacocaster. I have radiused most of that fretboard with this device in my truss rod sled. I just couldn't get all the way to the top of the neck here because this peg head is wider than the device, which had to be set to a specific width for the router I use on it. So most peg heads, I don't want to say normal, most peg heads will fit in that sled. So this I'll just finish off by hand with a hand plane and then a radius block. Have the body on that guitar already. Let me grab it. That body is ready to be final sanded and stained and lacquered. That's the Zacocaster. This is just a premium alder that he wanted an alder body. and it's going to get a sort of a brown mahogany kind of stain on it, more brown than red, I think is what we were looking for. Once I get to that point, I'll invite him over to the shop and we'll work on colors together. I have, oh, I'm sorry, I moved on too soon from the GGBO. I got the neck basically somewhat cut out, waiting for the tuners. The same thing, I was just waiting on the tuners. I have the truss rod slot already in. This truss rod goes in here. This is going to be a tapered headstock, a tip back headstock. I think I'm at 10 or 12 degrees here, I don't remember exactly. Yeah. All right, so 30.5-inch scale base on a 335 body, and it's going to be all mahogany. So there's that. All right. Now the other thing I've been doing is I've been working on greenie, for lack of a better name. Let me grab that. All right, so I grabbed the guitar, kicked the camera in the process, and readjusted some things. So I've got greenie here. Like I said, lack of a better, I need to find a better name than a color name because I'm doing the same body again. So I had a couple places where the finish burned through, so I've scraped that back and color touched up, and I'm only one coat into that so far. So there and there, and got the neck sanded back or Scotch-Brighted back and oiled, and it's looking pretty good. It's going to get some oiled and waxed, I should say. I did the true oil on this neck. It's actually a pretty nice finish. I hadn't used that in a long time. I like it. I got the peghead sanded out, coated, and recoated and recoated and recoated over the. Yeah, this is just a lacquer, spray lacquer. So, and I had a problem with these tuners. Actually, I won't be using these tuners. I ordered some Grovers, or Gotos rather. Yeah. A little too close to the end of the peg head for that one footprint to work, but the ones I ordered will work fine. So just to change up on that plan. It's another lesson learned. Make sure you double check everything before you commit it to actual wood. It won't be a problem, however. Not going to be any problem at all, just not where I thought I was going. Okay, so greenie's had some progress. So I think that's pretty much everything that of solid sorts of thing, actual material I can show you. I did a setup which I recorded on a Yamaha acoustic guitar, and also did another electric guitar setup, which I didn't record. I've recorded, loads of those. So anyway, so I've been busy this month. Thanks for watching and subscribing and liking and sharing and all the stuff you do. Thank you for sitting through a commercial, or at least 5 seconds of a commercial. I purposely do not use the unskippable ads, which you could do if you wanted to. If I wanted to, I don't want to do that to you. So just appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Take care now.